What's going on, my bossing? Welcome back to my channel, Boy Bukas Toy Box, and this is Alvin and ready to unbox. So let's do it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so this is another Funko toys, but not the Funko Pop. This one is the Hikari edition. So it's also been a while that I tried to score this one. So finally I got a good deal. When eBay, some of the sellers, they you can give them a price that you want and they will try to, if they okay, you get a deal. So here you go, my bossing. Look at that. How cool is that Megazord? So yeah, as the sellers say, there's like a small damage in the packaging, but doesn't matter, right? So here we go. Pretty cool. Nice. And let's see. There you go. Let's see what's inside. I'm actually not sure if Funko is still producing this toy line. I know most of them are like really an old releases. They are not so famous on this one, so I don't know if they're still making money. So maybe they're not, and they stopped producing it. But most of them is really cool. Okay, here you go. There's more damage showing right now. Mostly just plastic packaging, and there's like this card here. Okay, let me show it to you guys. There you go. 1375 of 1500 and number. Okay, that's really awesome. Okay, let's put it back. We don't need that. And yeah, so this is the damage. So this is what we need. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, this is made of vinyl toys. So yeah. Nice. Yeah, I think this is better, to display it inside the box more than display it like this. So not so good with the painting, I guess. That's why it's been there for a while in the store. But overall, it's good. I like it. What do you guys think? So just comment down below if you guys, anyone here that's also collect Hikari or Hikari, I don't know, Hikari Dap. So there you go, my bossing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.